Fear not, daughter. Your mortality yet lies ahead of you. Though you seem quite eager to meet it. Daughter, you and your knight have not endured this war unnoticed. You have championed the virtues of justice and all that is good in the world. You and Thurin stand among the highest of my faithful, and few bear more courage in their hearts. Long have I watched you both, and I could not sit idle and watch you suffer in your admirable but futile attempt. And so, I reached out and restored you here. Of course, you should have known better than to abandon your knight and forsake your duties, daughter, especially on such a foolhardy errand. However, since the Shadowgate has now been shut, I should think some leniency would not be misplaced. A father who cares not for his children would be wretched indeed, and the poorer would be his days. Not one among you is small to me, for you burn with the fire of ages to illumine the darkest nights and thaw the deepest winters. Even those who have lost their compassion for life and no longer look to my stars are dear to me, though I mourn their misguidance.